Alright, this is a carrier unit. Model number 58SXC, 80,000 BTU furnace. So I went in and took the inducer motor out. So, burner box here. Flame happens, goes into this primary heat exchanger, cycles on through, and down on the bottom is the secondary heat exchanger, which condenses water and squeezes out all the last of the BTUs out of the fuel source. Here's another look here. That's the inside of the collector box, and that's the secondary heat exchanger. See how rusted it is? Byproduct, carbonic acid. Now we have a drain tube here. Look how plugged the drain tube is. All the rust accumulates, goes down, plugs up the drain, and then onto the condensate trap, and then out. So when we have improper airflow, this drain here will shut off the furnace due to inadequate maintenance. Carrier now gives a lifetime heat exchanger warranty because they're so prone for these secondary heat exchangers rusting out like this. Another problem that happens when you have this secondary heat exchanger plugged is this the inducer motor. This takes the fumes and the combustion gas from behind the secondary heat exchanger through the fan and then out an exhaust port through the side of your house, 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC. Inducer motor, real common. But one thing is this inducer motor burns out, starts to rattle. And that's because you could see over the years the carbon that's built up. Inducer motors get a lot of heat, constant heat they have to deal with. So when we can't exhaust our gas because inadequate airflow with the secondary heat exchanger, the heat builds up in this area and the collector box. You see where the seams have been resealed? Because that heat loosens up the factory sealant, then start making you leak, right? All the water from byproduct of combustion doesn't make it to the drain. This becomes a little fish tank because the drain over here is plugged. See all the evidence of rust? So I just wanted to show you a little something about the innards of your furnace and what may be going wrong when they short cycle and won't come back on. Thank you.